Greetings. I'm Pearl John and welcome to the other 167. We continue on the series, The Cradle That Rocked the Cosmos, and we focus on the theme, Ripples of Restoration, Unveiling the Miracles of Jesus. In the midst of the dusty roads and bustling crowds, Jesus moved with a divine sense of purpose to bring about healing, restoration, and transformation of those that he came in contact with, defying the laws of nature. Today, let's immerse ourselves in the miraculous and the healing ministry of Jesus, where each touch, each word rippled with the promise of restoration. Join me as we explore the extraordinary journey under the three key themes: healing touch, mighty miracles, wholeness beyond the physical. Let's start with the first sub-theme, the healing touch. Mark chapter 5 verse 34, he said to her, "Daughter, your faith has healed you. Go in peace and be freed from your suffering." The healing touch of Jesus was more than physical. It was an encounter that brought spiritual and emotional restoration. In a world craving for authentic relationships and connections, Jesus' healing touch teaches us the power of compassion and the transformative impact of human touch. Picture this: a compassionate embrace that mends not just the body but the brokenness within. Jesus' touch was a profound gesture, healing not just the body but the heart. Are you ailing today? Is your heart heavy? Or is it broken by the wear and tear of everyday interactions and the harshness that people mete out to you? Are you broken? There is good news for you. The Lord is able to heal your bodies, no matter what sickness you may be gripped by, and mend your hearts, no matter how many pieces it has been shattered into. And that is the power of God that is available to you today. The second theme is mighty miracles. In John chapter 2 verse 11, what Jesus did here in Cana of Galilee was the first of the signs through which he revealed his glory, and his disciples believed in him. From turning water into wine to feeding thousands with a few loaves, Jesus' miracles were not merely a display of power for the sake of display, but it is a revelation of his divine nature, of care, of compassion, and commitment. Jesus is interested in your well-being. Dearly beloved, do you know that? He is able to birth his goodness in your life. No matter what you are going through, no matter how challenging your situation is, he is able to birth a miracle for you and transform your situation completely. In a society where the ordinary often overshadows the miraculous, Jesus' mighty miracles invite us to recognize the extraordinary in the midst of the everyday. Imagine a banquet appearing from a simple basket of bread. In our mundane realities, Jesus' miracles remind us that the extraordinary can sprout from the ordinary. The third theme, the wholeness beyond the physical. In Luke chapter 7 and verse 50, Jesus said to the woman, "Your faith has saved you. Go in peace." Jesus didn't just heal bodies. He brought wholeness to the soul. The emphasis was on spiritual healing. It was about salvation and about peace. In a world that is grappling with inner turmoil, Jesus' ministry teaches us that true healing goes beyond the physical into the depths, the intricate aspects of our very souls. Consider a storm tossed sea suddenly becoming serene. Jesus, with a word, stilled not just the external storms, but the internal tempests of the human heart. Are you being torn apart by the sheer volume of issues that you are required to grapple with on a day to day basis, and over again you are being beaten down? And every time you put your head up, you find there are numerous efforts to crush you. Are you struggling with problems that seem to be mounting day after day? Is the weight of the challenges that you face in your personal, professional lives creating a tempest in your heart? Jesus is able to bring calm with one word. As we sail through the varied accounts of Jesus' miracles and the healing ministry, let's not merely marvel at the supernatural, but grasp the profound truth that Jesus is still in the business of healing. His touch reaches beyond the physical. His miracles reveal His glory, and His desire is to bring wholeness to every aspect of our being. May the ripples of Jesus' restoration touch us today, healing wounds we may not even be aware of. In His ministry, we find not just a historical account, but an invitation to experience the transformative power of the divine healer. In the power of His healing words, may our hearts find solace, our bodies find strength, and our souls find everlasting peace. This is Pearl John signing off the Other 167. Thank you for watching the Other 167. Continue to watch as we continue the series the coming week. Have a wonderful weekend and a fabulous week ahead. God bless.